I'd like to welcome you to What's Cooking with Paula Deen. And today I'm making phone calls. People across the country have called in or written in with questions, so I'm trying to get them all answered today.
Hello?
Who's speaking?
Hello, who is this?
Who do you want it to be?
Well, you sound like my Paula Deen to me.
I'm your Paula Deen.
Oh my God, I can't believe you're calling me.
Is this Rick or Troy?
This is Troy. Rick is my partner.
Oh.
I ordered me the CD from when I was at work today because I love everything about you.
Oh, well, thank you so much, Troy. Have you gotten the DVD yet?
They haven't arrived yet, no. But
Haven't.
I'm excited for that new one.
Well, I just hope you love it. I hope it brings you many smiles as it brought me.
Oh my gosh,
And-
I laughed so hard when I watched it. You are so darn funny. I just love it.
Well, thank you so much. Well, guess what I'm doing right now?
What you doing?
I've got a cover for the DVD, and I'm going to sign it and send it to you
Oh my gosh, I love it.
to put on your DVD.
That is awesome.
Now, is
that's gonna make my day.
well, I'm so happy.
I've met you twice in person.
When did we meet?
We met years ago when you first came out with your first cookbook in Fargo, North Dakota.
Wow, I remember that, Troy. That was the coldest.
You signed it for me? Oh my.
That was the coldest place I've ever been in my life.
Oh yes, indeed.
Michael and I got off the plane, and we looked at each other as we were gasping for breath. It was so cold we couldn't hardly breathe.
It is something else up there.
You don't live there anymore, do you?
I live in Minnesota, not too far from the Twin Cities.
Minnesota.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I love watching you on eVine.
Oh.
I buy all your stuff on eVine too, I gotta tell you.
Well, thank you, Troy.
You're breaking me, man. You're breaking me.
Well, did you get the air fryer?
I just bought the second one, the biggest one you had.
I'm telling you, it's the bomb, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, I just love it. That first one I got, I just loved it so much, and so my mom loved it, so I gave her that one. I had to buy the bigger one.
Well, that's
We all have it.
good. That's what I have in my kitchen is the big one, and I just love it.
Oh yeah, I mean, that is the best thing ever, and I love your multi-function cooker, like that slow cooker. Oh my gosh, I have that too.
That is the bomb. But you know,
I love that too.
I use my my air fryer just about every day. But do you ever cook with a pressure cooker?
You know, I have the pressure cooker, and I didn't like it as much.
You have a pressure cooker? Do you have my pressure cooker?
I don't have yours, no.
Okay, well, is yours electric or is it a stovetop?
I have a stovetop one, and it scared me for so long that I didn't want to use it that much.
I hear you. The stovetops, to me, they intimidate me, and I'm a little frightened of them.
Oh,
But
yeah, because I've seen them blow up before. I've seen my grandma's blow up before, and I don't want that.
absolutely, I heard a story about when this old lady passed, they redid her kitchen, and they found 23 tops to a pressure in her kitchen ceiling.
Oh, my goodness.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, those darn things are scary.
Well, mine is electric, and you cannot mess up. It has an open, and then you just turn the lid to close, and there's no way you can screw up with it. And that's maybe one of my favorite appliances because.
I might need to try that the next time you have a good one of those on eVine.
Yeah, you might try an electric. I think you would feel totally different about that, Troy. Plus, it's just, you know, because I do a lot of cooking on the quickie, so I really have to rely on that pressure cooker. But I'm thinking, well, I want you to. If you do a lot of cooking and you're short on time, you'll love it. Plus.
Right. You know what I do for a living is I'm a food service director, and I went to school for chef training, so I'm a total foodie. Oh,
I'd love to.
Oh, yes.
What's your specialty?
You know, I like home-cooked meals. So I don't need all the fancy stuff. I like home-cooked meals. So steaks, roasts, chicken, you name it, that kind of stuff.
Troy, you're a man after my own heart.
I'm telling you, that's why I love eating at your restaurant. When I lived in Florida, I would go up to Savannah and eat in Ladies and Sons. I loved the food.
So, Troy, hold on. I've got to take a quick break, but we'll be right back. The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300. Thank you so much, and I'm so like you. I don't care if I ever go to another foo-foo restaurant again. But I'm like you, I just love that home cooking. I love other people's home cooking. I just love to see how they do it.
Right, yeah, and you know, up here we're known for our hot dish.
Your who? Your who?
Hot dish? You ever heard of hot dish?
No.
It's kind of like your casseroles in the South.
Oh. So
we do hot dish up here in Minnesota.
Is a hot dish the same every time, or is it different?
It's different. It could be just about anything you want to put cream soup in. Could be hot dish.
I have never heard of that. As many times as I've been to Minneapolis, Minnesota, I've never heard of hot dish.
Hot dish, and even some of the restaurants.
Are you saying hot or pot?
Hot, H-O-T.
H-O-T.
Yes, ma'am. You need to have them when you come up. Tell them you need to try some of their hot dish, like tater tot hot dish, or we call it funeral hot dish up here. It's very similar to what Bobby Dean's favorite hot dish is that you make him.
Goulash.
Goulash. We call it funeral hot dish because in our Scandinavian churches, you have funeral hot dish.
You know, everybody does have their specialty for funerals. But the only thing is, they don't have time, you know, so they're doing a lot of picking up at the grocery store, you know,
right.
And it's not always so good.
No, and that newer generation of kids growing up, they're used to the fast food stuff, where I grew up more with the home cooked meal.
Absolutely.
So I think there's a big difference.
I feel you, baby.
Yep.
You and I.
How your parents raised you.
That's right. That's right. I don't ever recall us going out to eat as a kid. I can think
not
of
like they do now.
I can think of maybe once or twice we went out to eat. But my mother was a wonderful cook, so my daddy wanted mama's cooking.
Oh, yeah.
And we did too.
I remember growing up with my grandma, because my parents worked so much, and my grandmothers cooked so much in the kitchen. I remember all their kind of cooking. And, you know, up here, Scandinavian, lutefisk and lefse and rosettes and krumkak, all those things, I grew up making. I'm the only one in the family that still makes them.
I've never heard of any of those, and I wouldn't know how to begin making them. So,
like lefse is like a tortilla, except in Scandinavian, it's made really thin with potatoes, which you would love because potato's your favorite food.
It's my favorite. I love a potato. I don't care how you bring him to the table.
Yeah.
Well, Troy, I hope to meet you again at some point.
Well, I hope you come up to Minnesota and have like a signing or something, because I saw you the last time you were in Minneapolis with your cookbook, the lighter eating one.
Right.
I met you that day too, and I have some pictures with you, and you signed that book.
Oh my gosh, you'll have to send me some pictures.
Right, and I forgot to have you look at the sketch that Ricky did of you, because Ricky is an artist and he sketches.
No.
And he sketched you, and we forgot to bring a whip that day for you to see.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dadgum. Oh, yeah.
That
I'm picking up that Minnesota drawl.
Right? Yep, you need to come up a little more.
Well, I'll be back in at Evine before you know it.
All right.
But I've enjoyed talking to you so much.
Yes, you have made my day. You don't even know how much you made my day because you are my favorite.
Well, thank you, darling. I appreciate that.
I have to tell you, I have everything Paula Deen in my house. I have everything that you've made from the get-go that you've been selling, having available, I have in my house.
Well, thank you so much for your love and support, Troy. And,
sure.
you know, I always send you love and best dishes.
Well, thank you so much for calling me. You have made my day.
Thank you. And tell Ricky I said hello and thanks for being sweet enough to buy you that DVD.
Yes, indeed. I sure will.
Okay, Troy. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you so much for calling me.
Thank you, darling. Bye-bye.
All right. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, how sweet was that? We've actually met face-to-face twice. So I have signed him the cover of the Positively Paula DVD, and I'm going to send that to him because his partner ordered the DVD for him. So now he'll have a signed cover. And if you want to think about the DVD, all you have to do is go to positivelypaula.tv, and you can pick up the DVD there. The space that you live in really affects the way you feel. So my first recommendation is start by updating your window treatments with Smith & Noble. Smith & Noble's beautiful handcrafted blinds, drapes, shades, and shutters are custom made just for you, and they offer different service options to fit your needs. To get started today, contact Smith & Noble to get my special limited time offer, 25% off on your window treatments, plus free design consultation. Create a space that you're gonna love. For details about my special offer, go to smithandnoble.com/Paula. That's smithandnoble.com/Paula, or call 1-800-659-3300. That's 1-800-659-3300.